I'm in the machining program here at Sheridan College where we learn CNC, CAD, and hands-on manufacturing processes. Mixing technology smarts with actually being able to make a part is really nice because I've always been really good with computers, so I wanted something that would allow me to kind of mesh those two. And it's kind of nice being able to put something in a computer and then put it in the machine and then be able to hold the finished part. It's really nice having the small class size because you can turn something on the lathe and then you can just go straight over to the mill instead of having to wait for somebody to finish what they're doing. Another way that this is preparing me for the future is it's broadening horizons. I can do manual machining, I can do CNC machining, and I took a general welding class, so if I had to, I could be a welder. If you like working with your hands and you like technical studies, you should definitely come check out the machining program here at Sheridan College.